Hey folks, today is July the 24th. It's currently 10 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Titan G7 week number 18 update and the Titan G27 week number 4 update. I have not actually checked to see what the results are for this week, so it'll be new for you and new for me as well. And as always, we'll check the Forex Factory, see about the news for the week, and we'll also go into the members area to see what other people results they got. Wow. Okay. So it looks like Titan G27 had a very good week just based on what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and jump into Titan G27 and see what we made this week. Wow. So this week with Titan G27, we made 9.16% this week. That is crazy. All right. So last month, obviously minus 1.22%. And we were down quite a bit last week, but as you guys can see here, we're only down a little over 1% right now. And we will definitely go into the VPS and take a look and see exactly what happened that gave us a 9% week. Let's see what our win rate was. Looks like 63%. And overall for the month, 48%. All right, let's check out the original Titan G7, see what's going on there. All right, what was the first day of this week here? Looks like the 20th was the first day of the week. All right, so right here. And it looks like we started going down, and then we made our way right back up to almost where we started. So I'm going to guess this is going to be a close to break-even week with Titan G7 with a small loss. All right, and as always, we'll take a look at the vendors' live accounts with Titan G27 as well as Titan G7, and we'll see exactly how he did. That'll give us a better idea. All right, let's take a look at this this week's news here. Monday, not much. Tuesday, we had core retail sales out of Canada. And it looks like Friday, we had quite a bit of Euro news there. So Friday looks like the only day that really might have made a difference one way or the other as far as spikes and such. And of course, when the president speaks, which was, what was that, Tuesday? President Trump speaks there. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. Give me 1 second and I will pull up the VPS. I'm curious to see how Titan G27 did. I want to see what some of those big winning trades look like. All right, we're in the VPS right now. Let's get rid of that. And as you guys can see, we do have some trades open going into the weekend. And our balance is now at $2,933. Let's go ahead and scroll up here. First day of the week was the 20th. I'm expecting to see some nice size winning trades here. Scroll all the way. Let's scroll up a little bit here. Okay, so we definitely took a lot of trades this week. That's a good thing. All right, so as we can see, some of those larger profit targets have been getting hit. Our lot size is only 0.02, and as you guys can see here, we got a $45 winner right there. $25 winner right there. Lots of smaller wins. Let's see if we have any more larger wins. There's a $25 win right there. All right, so definitely some nice size winning trades this week. I'm just scrolling up here. All right, so we've had some in the 40s and 30s and 40s here. So we definitely had a good week. No complaints there. All right, let's go ahead and check out the original Titan and see how it did. We already know that it most likely had a small loss on the week. All right, so as you guys can see here, we're at $646. And as you recall, this was a $500 sim account, so we are definitely still in profit. And what is the first day that this starts here? 7/22. All right, give me 1 second. All right, guys, now I'm anxious to see exactly how the vendor did. Let's go ahead, whereas you guys can see in the Blue Edge Financial room now. Let's go ahead and refresh so we can make sure we're getting the newest activity. And we'll go to the most recent post. All right, I remember last week when someone had posted in the group about Titan G27 buying when XAU USD was near the peak of an all-time high. They thought this was a stupid trade. Why would we be buying near an all-time high? This is a common mistake of retail traders trying to catch the top and the bottoms of the market. We've learned in the Edge Trading Secret book, it's best to never try to catch tops and bottoms. The trend is your friend. All right, as you guys can see, definitely continue pushing up. Now the big question is, why didn't we have many more XAU USD trades? There's always somebody. All right. So fun to read the comments here. I guess people actually never get pleased by anything. Definitely so. Some people just want to get rich quick for free. All right. This was 2 days ago. Not bad for a day on G27. Just be patient and let the wins and loses play out. Brokerage account started with 3,000. Fixed lot size. All right. Not all our results are the same. That's just the disclaimer. All right. Let's take a look and see how this individual did. As you can see, definitely made some nice profits. $291.70 in his G27 account. All right, that's good for the day. What about since you started? All right, I'm up on G27 2% overall, but I'm down on G7 16%. Okay, very nice. Let's keep on going here. 3 days ago. Now, this is what I need to see. 18 wins and 2 losses since yesterday's open, and I'm up 12% for the week. Wow. This individual is up 12%. Definitely good news. Okay, so that's the difference. Bring it on. I'm assuming you're running aggressive settings. Actually, I'm assuming that's 0.01 per 1,500, but I only had 1,000 in my account at the start of the week, so it's actually the same risk as 0.01 per 1,000. Now I'm at 1,130. Okay, very nice. Another individual, I'm up 14% on 0.01 per 1,000. Now the potential of G27 has been seen. I'm so excited about this product over the long run. The wins of the G27 are lost by the G7. All right. So it looks like this individual has stopped running G7. All right. So it's better to let G7 go. It's up to you. Personally, only running G27. See if we can find some more results from people. Yeah, I'm up 8.5% this week and 2.5% this month with a 0.01 per 1,200. G7 is hitting me hard, so I'm at minus 9% for the month between them. I'm not using G7 and haven't been using it since G27 was released. All right, so it looks like the vendors have kind of let G7 go. Seems like these EAs work best on trending conditions. Definitely, they've mentioned that a few times here. And we will look at the vendors' accounts momentarily. All right, let's keep going here. 4 days ago, they put out a YouTube video. There such thing as a Holy Grail trading system. You guys can check that out on their YouTube channel. All right, let's go ahead and jump in here and take a look at the results they had this week. You can see here weekly updates. This was actually for last week's results, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at their links here. It should have updated for this week already. All right. Our G27 live accounts. Let's go ahead and jump in and see a few of these. Moderate, conservative. All right. So this account, 0.1 per 1,000. You can see here they're currently up 14.35% for the week and overall 1.9%. Hopefully we'll have another trending week that'll push that up even higher. All right, here we are, 13.04%. So it looks like a lot of their accounts did better than I did here. All right, so 7.72%. This one's 0.01 per 1,500 in your account. All right, this one's at 8.2%. And again, these are live accounts. And last one, this is conservative settings. So it's 0.01 per 1,850. Again, overall, still down 4.02%, but this week up 6.72%. Let's go ahead and check out G7. They still have one G7 live account running, unless they turned it off. All right. So as you guys can see here, G7 is still kind of dragging things down. It's currently down 4.73% for the week, and overall still up 31.02%. But definitely, it has hit a rough patch here. All right, so I'm definitely happy to see Titan G27 start to prove itself in the ideology that they had mentioned to us previously in their webinars and such. Definitely happy to see that. So as always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Blue Edge Financial Titan G7 or Titan G27, don't hesitate to send them my way, and I'll try to get those questions answered. If G27 does good over these over this 3-month period, I might make that the third expert advisor that I go ahead and start live with. But we'll just have to keep watching it and see what happens. Make sure you guys use the link below if you're interested in joining Titan. And I'll see you guys on the next video, which is going to be on the 31st. We'll see if G27 can keep up this type of return here. And again, my return was 9.16. Just had to come back and show that one more time. Beautiful. All right, see you guys next week. Take care. Have a great weekend.